much you will need. And sometimes you feel it too much, you can definitely put it back in the pot. You don't want to use it too much to flood your crystal. Also, you don't want to do it too thin to not adhere properly. So I am going to add it. It's like a good layer on. And don't forget with the no wipe top coat. And we're gonna floating on the top. And not too drag. You can see that my bristle is not spreading out, because if you spread the bristle out, you might drag your condensed glue gels away. You don't want that. For that, we're gonna take this Diamond Dust Pixie special for this month, and it's with one of empty tray. So what I need to do is to, I'm gonna open this one for 1 second. It's already open. And I will go ahead using the pickers and, oh my god, this is really cool. It's super heavy. It's a job. Is it? No, I don't want to be next to Diamond Dust Pixie. I want to be with next to Spider. You come back right here. The Spider already gone for last nail, so you gotta be next. Okay. And add some pumpkin spice. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this. And just randomly, you can add some of, I would add some of this because it will be, give it a little bit of like glow in the darks, fun nails for Halloween. But hey, if you don't want it, your client's like, oh, I don't want to glow in the darks, then you don't have to put it on. But if your client's like, hey, I want some glow in the darks, then here you go. I'm using it from a glow in the dark crystal kits. Okay. And if the clients don't want Diamond Dust Pixie, is great. You can just like cure it and apply, cure for 60 seconds, and you apply the precision glue gels. You're good to go. Cure for 60 seconds and you're good to go. But if the clients want to be fancier and want more is crystal, and we're gonna do, I opened the cap already and just tap it really gently. Make sure you have the tray, so then the trays will hold your Diamond Dust Pixie. So whatever that is not catching on the nails, you can catch it on that tray, and then you can keep, save it, and use it for the future applications. Okay. It's easier for doing it with. And then I'm gonna do is really give it a little like tap on to keep it all compact. Make sure they stay on nicely and grab right into your condensed glue gels and to yours no wipe top coat. And it's still wet, so you're gonna do it, just make sure you gently is taper it in, and then you're happy with this. We're going to cure for 60 seconds.